Hi, I'm Lacey Bishop, welcoming you to this authentic Georgian Colonial at 945 East Warm Springs Avenue. The residence is set on almost 1/2 acre and includes pristine English gardens and 2 detached 2-car garages. The house was designed after 18th century homes of Williamsburg. A notable feature of this residence is the wallpaper in the dining room. The wallpaper is a replica of the same paper that covers the diplomatic reception room in the White House. Each owner has maintained the original integrity of the home while maintaining and adding modern upgrades. The current owner did a complete remodel of the kitchen, including gourmet Viking and Bosch appliances and a wood-burning fireplace. Join us for a rare opportunity this Sunday to view this home on an open house from 1 to 4 p.m.